What is up, guys? My name is Ivizu, and in this video I'm gonna be talking about increasing your average order value and also increasing your profits, because a lot of people, they're doing upsells incorrectly and their upsells are not increasing their profits at all. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe down below, because I'm documenting my whole Shopify dropshipping journey and also my personal branding journey. So if you're curious about what are my strategies, what are my best tips, I'm gonna be sharing a lot of this stuff right in my channel, and I think you're gonna learn a lot. Also, make sure to stay till the end of the video because I'm gonna be sharing a quick update on my store. So there are three main ways to do upsells with Shopify stores. So the first one is frequently bought together. This is when you want your customer to buy complementary products to your original one. Then there is quantity breaks, which you're trying to get your customer to buy more of the same product. And then there is like post-sale upsells, and that can be achieved with Zipify one-click upsells or cart hook. But in this video, we're gonna talk about quantity breaks and how you can set it up. There are actually two ways. The first one is use quantity breaks app, and also the second way is using Shopify's discount feature, buy X, get Y. So let's first talk about quantity breaks. So what I like about this is it's all integrated. Your customer doesn't have to use a discount code. But the drawbacks are you cannot use Oberlo with it. You can only use Dropify app. Another drawback is it sometimes glitches and it doesn't work. And the third drawback is that it costs some monthly money. Like I think it's like $15 per month or something like that. I'm not sure because I don't use that app. So the other method is using Shopify's buy X get Y. So I'm gonna show you how you can set it up in the description. So in the description you can have something like the more you buy, the more you save, and then you just create a simple table. You put quantity, discount code. And for example, when your customer buys two products, one product will get a 25% discount. When they buy three products, two of them will get 30% discount. And when they buy four, three of them will be 35% off. And here you can use a discount code. You can use something like the product name and number 2, the product name number 3, the product name number 4 to indicate the quantity. Now I'm going to show you how to set it up in your discount section. So you put in buy X get Y, then you put here quantity 1. Here you put in the specific product, and in the customer gets you put in 1. And down below you put percentage 25. Here you have to put in the same product. And here in the summary, it means when your customer buys two products, one of them will be 25% off. So when you want to set it up for three products, so you can do this. You put the quantity 2 for customer gets, you get 2, and here you put 30%. So this means when they buy 3 items, 2 of them will be discounted at 30%. And the same happens when you put in like for 4. So for 4, you can do this. So when they buy 4 products, 3 of them will get 35% discount. And what I like about this is you can use Oberlo with it. There's no glitches. It works. And also what I like about this, you can add like higher percentage discount with that because it's only applied on like additional products. So when they buy one product, the second product will get 25% discount. When they buy 3, like the second and third will get 30% discount. So it's not applied on all products. So you have more profits when doing this. So what I like about this method is you can show a high percentage of a discount while also keeping more profits. When you do quantity breaks, you can see like you only have like 5%, 10%, 15%, and it doesn't look that attractive like 5%. With this method, you can add higher percentage amount. But you gotta be careful. Like I would do like this setup. Maybe you can go up to 40, but that's maximum. With quantity breaks, you got to be more careful because that discount is applied on both of the products. So both of them will be 5% off. All three of those products will get 10% off. So you got to really calculate the margin, because with quantity breaks, if you do like more than 30%, it's eating way too much of your profits. So with quantity breaks, I would go between like 5 to 25, maybe 30%. With this method, with this Shopify method, like the Shopify discount feature method, you can do like 20% up to maybe 40, depending on your margin. So with this, I like it more because it doesn't cost any money. You can show a higher percentage of discount and also retain more profits with this method. Quick update. So I've been very distracted by school and also this YouTube channel. I haven't been spending too much time on my e-com store, but I'm gonna be fixing it right now. But regarding the results with my store, as you can see, I hit almost $200 yesterday. But I'm not gonna lie. It's not all profit. That day was just break-even day because I haven't been like I'm learning about scaling. So I'm like trying to scale the campaign, but it's not that successful right now. But I think I'm gonna figure out like within a month, because my goal till the end of the next month, so till end of June, my goal is to hit $1,000 per day consistently. Thanks for watching this video till the end, and I'm gonna be seeing you in the next video.